All right, let's get straight to it. 2013 Dodge Challenger. This is a 3.6 liter engine. If you're looking for the alternator on this vehicle, it's located right down here. You can see it clearly right there. Once you remove that belt, it's just a couple of bolts to get this off. You can see two of the bolts right there. On the back side of the alternator, there's your plug for it there, and there's your hot wire for it right here. So from further away, you can see your plug for it and your hot wire. That's what your plug and your hot wire looks like. And these are the two top bolts that you need to remove. And on the bottom here is the last bolt that needs to be removed. And actually, if you come from the bottom, you can see that last bolt very easy. It's kind of filthy. There seems like be an oil leak on here, but there goes your last bolt right there. And you can also see your hot wire from down here also. So you may want to come down here to get this bottom bolt and then go back up top to get those last two bolts, or you can reach up here and just feel for these two bolts and you can get them all three from the bottom. Either way, this is an easy job, and you got plenty of space to get this alternator out and down through this hole here, so there's no removing of extra parts. This is a very easy job, and you can do this yourself. So you put your serpentine belt tool right in here, and then you turn it counterclockwise, and that would loosen the belt, and then you can get that belt off. So you have a bunch of pulleys here. You have the alternator pulley, you have an idler pulley, of course you have the crank pulley down here, you have the water pump pulley, you have the AC compressor over there. So you can kind of see how this belt is routed around the engine, and you can see, like I say, your tensioner is the main part that you want to get your tool into. Turn that counterclockwise and you can get this belt off. So this video should also be helpful if you need to see the diagram and how to get your belt back on as well. So this should help you get your belt off and on.